Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 29. An object 4 cm high is placed 15 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 5 cm. The size of the image is A 3 cm, B 5 cm, C 4 cm, D 2 cm. Now, we are looking at a concave mirror. Okay, so once you see mirror, the first thing to do is to remember the mirror formula, which is given as 1 over f is equal to 1 over v plus 1 over u. Now, v is equal to the image distance, u, this is v, image distance, u is equal to the object distance, and f is the focal length. Okay, so from this now you see that we are given the object distance, which is 15 centimeters, and the object height, which we would make use of later, and then we are given the focal length. So we have u and f, but we do not have v. So the first thing to do will be to search for v. Now 1 over v will be equal to 1 over f minus 1 over u, and that is equal to 1 over 5, which is right here, 1 over 5, the focal length, okay, minus 1 over u, the object distance, which is 15. Okay, so this, if you solve this, that will give you, okay, 3 or 2 rather over 15. Okay, find LCM and add that together. That is you subtract this from this, that is 2 over 15. Now remember that 1 over v is equal to 2 over 15, therefore v is equal to, that you take it the other way, that is 15 over 2. Okay, now that is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Now this 7.5 centimeter is the image distance. Now magnification, okay, to get the size of the image, okay, you use the magnification formula, which is equal to v over u, that is image size over the object size. Okay, so now we have two sets of values to work with. Okay, the first set of values to work with is the distance. So you can say you use the distances, that is this, okay, is equal to this. So like we have established here, the distances, the object and image distances, and the object and image size is what you make use of. So v over u, that is 7.5 over 15, okay, is equal to the image size, which is what you are looking for, let's call that x, over the object size, which is 4 centimeters. So x is therefore equal to 7.5 multiplied by 4 over 15. Therefore x is equal to 2 centimeter, and x, as you remember, is our size of the image, or the image size. So the image size is 2 centimeter as we have calculated, and 2 centimeter is option D, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.